Tripura wo keha Unukoti district kyanma abo district wo ni para mungke Kumarghat hiao abo Kumarghat area wo singke wainsa browni puja kyanma ba panda wo chanda khangsoklaimi jaja gari no phone brok khangsowo ake brok khangso tongpu singke mosamani gari imphanglot nei ma ke phaisa ha aboro ke brok ke chanda thangi khanglai ha khanglai mose brok saimo sing gari driver ke rimaya ong ha abo brok saimo sing gari driver rimaya umon tatewo sosi sobra ki yebu tup khelai ha ake jangbai dok thumlai tha ha thumlai tini gari gora bukhru laiye mosamar abo samsamoni mosamani dogai ro nopona saugrum ye bujukri ke ha ake waisa hindu ro trek thumru bangru ke ye mosamar pusemo browni monjit browni khomno dikhuni maro opono ha sunye bukhauye sauye chamakar ke ha arimba pandawo Tripura government ke tawo ke ts survey ake CRPF no deploy ke ha aboro wo 163 apply ye curfew ke khau ye internet bondo ke khau ye tini WhatsApp thungmaya Facebook thungmaya tini internet totally bondo ke mati ha mambo ye bo internet le bondo ma khimi ha singkhe aboro wotre khasale ma video raw tini palsain lewano tini no hu saw leimo video raw hoi laye tre khasale lewano nangkhru lewano ye brau ke kriye tawo bodi ke Unukoti district wo ni keha Kumarghat area wo ke Phatikroi yamo jaga samo singkhe tawo bodi ke ye chole tongo bodi ke uye tongo betha disturb no batung ye tongo tawon jora wo phono tining jora wo phono tining nokha salji sama January talbosi sasine bosi kolphe duk ma won jora wo pho internet maya ki bondo ke paye ti ong ye naw jotono khupor the su sai khnare phimse Mizoram bo jokoni rail pamon chingyo tining jora wo singkhe inner line permit brauma issue ma kemoke saisikol phe noi rijapa 22,500 inner line permit issue ma ke ha aboke brauke sairang railway station counter office on chingyo brauke issue ma ke ko ake samode ha singkhe salbo yose inner line permit ILP mama salbo yose rijabroi ki yebrau tawo issue ke yema tongo arumi total la singke bale tawon jorawo sasikolphe noi rijaba inner line permit mari kho ha ye Mizoram chingyo khupor mayo brau sapio ake boro bangmo sing bro phai visit ke phai ne rokhe bale Assam chingyo ake Delhi chingyo ake West Bengal chingyo brau sek bang therke tawo phai visitor Mizoram ha singye phai tongo ye Mizoram ni khupor tining nokha salchi sama January tal bosi sasini bosi khol phe duk mawo bodi kiye tini yo khupor mai sophiu Meghalaya state wo high court ni chief justice ma panda wo brobri no saikhu la leha abobri mani mungkhe Revati Mohit hiao arumi bo Revati Mohit ke poila high court ni chief justice unima bri se arumi tawa chung bung smai tangmo nailai ne rana
I, Revati Prashant Mohite Dere, having been appointed as Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
May I now request the Honorable the Chief Justice to make and subscribe to the oath. With the